Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need jQuery and the Slick files loaded. Once loaded, open your page and identify the slider container. First, add the slider class to the wrapper and create each slide element inside it. Then, link Slick, CSS and Slick theme, CSS in the head, and include the Slick JS after jQuery near the end of body. These steps prepare the DOM and styles so the initialization will attach correctly. Make sure your markup has no extra wrappers that break direct child selection. Once the DOM is ready, initialize with $, slick, and pass options that match your design. Use dots, arrows, autoplay, speed, fade, and lazy load to control behavior. For example, set slides to show, 3 and responsive breakpoints to drop to 1 on small screens. If you need varying heights, use adaptive height. Also, bind events like before change and after change to update captions or analytics. Configuring here lets you balance performance versus visuals. Test each option sequence. To finish, initialize any remaining controls like custom arrows and thumbnails, then test resize and touch interactions. If content changes dynamically, call Slick, set position, or destroy and reinitialize with Slick, unslick, then reapply settings. Make sure images have widths or use lazy load so Slick can compute sizes. If the slider looks unstyled or behaves oddly, check for duplicate jQuery, missing CSS, or incorrect markup. This is the most common failure. Fix those and reinitialize to resolve almost all problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.